see they're little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where today we're going to make something extra special, a delightful birthday cake. Get ready to sprinkle some magic on the paper as we dive into this colorful adventure. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by lightly sketching our birthday cake to plan our design. Now, grab your trusty black marker and let's turn those sketches into a sweet, colorful cake. Let's draw the first layer of our cake. Imagine it's sturdy and delicious.
Awesome!
Next, let's add the middle layer. Each layer is getting tastier. For our final touch, let's draw the top layer. This cake is looking magnificent. Don't forget the plate underneath our cake. Now, let's add a candle on top. Some sweet candies. And 6 vibrant balloons around it. Now that our cake is complete, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make it stand out even more. It's time to add a burst of color to our fabulous birthday cake. Pink color. Orange color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Red color. Purple color. Yellow color. Pink color. Orange color. Blue color. Orange color. Green color. Indigo color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color. Blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Pink color. Purple color. Orange color. Tada! Your birthday tape is now a rainbow of colors. If you enjoyed this artistic celebration, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next colorful adventure. Until then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep making the world a brighter place with your creativity. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.